ACCA student planning to reattempt your examination, then here are some tips for you guys. So please stay tuned till the end. I'm Megha, a commerce career coach and the ACCA member. After the results that have been announced on Monday, I have received a lot of calls from students who were less fortunate and who could not clear their paper. So I have made this video to help them understand on how they can go about planning their examination. So first and foremost, most common mistakes that I notice is time management. So students do not plan their paper really well and they are not able to stick to the time limit. Now normally what everyone does and what is wrong, I'll tell you. Normally students say 100 mark paper, 180 minutes, 1.8 minute per mark, but guys, no, that rule is not enough. What you have to do is you need to stick to 1.5 minutes per mark. Reason being, when you are practicing at home, it's slightly different than examination. You have exam pressure, you have a lot of pressure if you see a question which you are not able to relate to. So under stress, under time, sometimes you require a little extra time. So please follow the rule of 1.5 minutes per mark. It will really help you to complete your paper in time. You need to focus on time management. Now, how do you work on time management? Whenever you're sitting down to write down an answer, please see, okay, it's for 10 marks, 15 minutes. Start timing yourself from day one for making sure you're following time management. That's one most common mistake that I see. Second most common mistake that students make is they do not write mock examination. Guys, please write mock examination. There is a reason why it is required, because you are working under the examination style in the stress and you are getting only 3 hours to finish your questions. So you know how well you are able to do it. Please attempt mocks, please reach out to your mentors for mock and please get feedback from them. Just don't write mocks, also evaluate and get feedback. Very important. Mock examinations are very important. In case you're looking for assistance around mock, you can reach out to me. Then the other mistake that I common find with students, especially at skill level, is not using computer for practice. Until you reach professional level, students are comfortable with computer, but at skill level I see students don't practice on laptop and that's why they struggle. They use pen paper mechanism, which is a big no. Guys, don't practice on pen paper because you have to tune yourself to the examination style from day one. Do that. Fourth most common mistake that I notice is at skill level is students do not practice a lot of MCQs. Please focus on MCQs, guys. You don't have negative marking in the paper. I have said this in all my videos. At least attempt to it, even if you're not sure, because there is no negative marking. So attempt to MCQs. And lastly, the last and the most important tip that I have is, guys, please make some sort of summary notes, have quick handy notes. I've also made a detailed video on how you should be making notes for these professional examinations, be it ACCA or Chartered Accountancy or any examination. So you can watch that video. Please make crisp notes which you can use at the time of revision. Concept clarity is very important. If you don't have concept clarity, you cannot clear your ACCA paper. So if you are struggling, you're not able to have some sort of concept clarity or get any sort of mock cleared, you can feel free to reach out to me or to reach out to any of your mentors. But please make sure you're having concept clarity. Ask questions wherever you're getting stuck. Take help wherever you're getting stuck. Simply do not keep yourself silent. And guys, please plan your next schedule very effectively, because how you're planning your next 1.5 months really make a lot of difference. What your strategy could be for the next 1.5 months is basically next 1 month, do concepts, do questions from your exam kit, practice them, do weaker topics which you're not comfortable with, do topics which you didn't do earlier, try to cover that in the next 1 month. And the next 15 days, please do mocks. Write as many mock papers as you can. That's how you can plan your next 45 days after the examination. So these are some common mistakes that I have noticed by interacting with so many students, that these are the things that students are not working on. So please improvise on these things and Wishing you all the best for your upcoming examination. And guys, if you are requiring any sort of assistance, you can reach out to me and I'll be very happy to help and guide each one of you. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with more of your friends, and do drop a comment below on what your exam strategy looks like. And guys, I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.